guys, TinaGale here, and welcome back. This is installment 2 of the Simple Stories online event that I did. So this is the Fresh Air collection from Simple Stories. It's absolutely gorgeous. And like I did in the layout, so I shared all of the layouts that we did on one weekend. So I'll have the video link below. If you missed it, you can go back and watch it. But I shared this in that video because I want you to see, I had an unboxing video so you can see everything that we got, but this is everything that I have left plus several 12 by 12 sheets of paper. So I have chipboard frames, 2 packages of scraps here, an alphabet, and then tons and tons of embellishments. The sticker book, which still has a ton of stickers left in it, the brads and chipboard, the flower bits, enamel dots, have the die cuts, the puffy stickers, the sticker sheet, and then these were some fussy cut pieces that I did from the pattern paper. So still tons of product left to do even more. Like probably as many layouts as we did for the event, I could do that many again. So this is the mini album. It is, as you can tell, just chocked full. I do not have photos in it yet. Because I'm thinking I want to use it for current photos, which it just turned spring, so I'm going to have to wait a little bit to accumulate photos, but I may go back and do something different. If you have any ideas for what you would put in this album, I would love to hear it. So let me go ahead and show you on this. She had just a big bow tied around this with some ribbon. I ended up having this, which I think this is hilarious. This is one of those little cuffs that used to be popular, 15, 20 years ago that you'd wear with your boots. And I had it in a giveaway box, and I had walked by and looked at it, and I thought, I should just keep that. I could use that in scrapbooking or something. And when I got ready to tie the bow around it, it was like, I wonder if that would fit. And it fit perfectly. And then this little white bow was actually on a mug that I got for Christmas time, and I was unwrapping it and throwing it away, and it was like, wonder if I could do that. So I used it to tie the bow the other way and tie my button on there. So definitely before you chunk something, think if you could use it some other way. I thought that was really creative. So we have just stickers, lots of pop dots in this. Jana loves her pop dots. So I did say in the last video, but this is designed and it was taught by Jana Eubanks for Simple Stories. And she is one of my favorite artists and has been since like early 2000s. So she's just very, very talented. Big old puffy phrase sticker here, and then lots of little embellishments in the brads. So you really get to see just how beautiful this collection is. So we have a chipboard frame over here. And again, I just put placeholders for photos because I haven't chosen them. So it's just not adhered up here, so I can slide a photo in. And then if there's anything that was going to go over the photo, I just left, like, this is a puffy sticker, a layered puffy sticker. I just left the backing plastic on there so that it's not sticking down. And I do have, I don't know what I did with it. I have the strip of word phrases, and this is going to just stay with the album so that when I do put photos, there's lots of those that go over the top of the photos. So then I can just have it and I can fit whatever matches my photos. This page here, we sewed around the paper and then adhered it to the insert page. We did lots of sewing in this class, and we did it with pink thread, which I think is just gorgeous. And again, lots of popped up little pieces. This has a double pocket, so we have photo mats and tags that'll come in and out. Have this photo. Again, you can see I left all of this up so that I could put my photo in when I'm ready. This has pop dots, but I left the backing on. Love this whole little layered scene. Jana is just so awesome at creating scenes with stickers and stuff, and this is just a really good example. The back of the chipboard divider here, just a couple of photos and embellishments. I also love that we use the little tab divider stickers on here. Super cute. This is just one of the 4x6 cards, and then this one is a little flip. Have them in the back. Again, a pocket and a Little photo mat here. This is one of the insert pages we cut down so that we can just journal, or we can even add more photos. You can see here I have a little foam sticker stuck in here, so when I put the photo I can put it on and then add a word label sticker. This is one of the divider pages. I love this. We popped up the little bumblebees from the sticker sheet and then did with our pen the little flight pattern. Just so much detail in this. I wished I could like zoom up and do all that so you could see it, because it's just gorgeous. Again, here I just left backing so that I could lift it up and stick a photo in. Another one of the label stickers. This one too, it just has the foam attached right in the center so that I can put photos in here. This one has 3 different sizes of photo mats. Gorgeous. More of those little flower bits. This is really fun. This is a waterfall. So you just lift it all up and you can just add a ton of photos. I love the chickens in this collection. It's just gorgeous. You can see here too, I left the backing on that sticker so that I can put my photo in. This one's another one that just lifts up. You can add journaling here. I used the little 2x2 cut aparts and made a design. You can see lots of twine. Just gorgeous. More photos. And then place for a big photo, and then this lifts up so you can have even more. Another flip up here. You can see this has just tons of room for photos. Another sweet little scene with the chickens in the house. And another pocket here. This has a ton. So this one has a front pocket here. And then this is a pocket back here, and it has longer pieces and photos. And then this is a little fold out tag that we made. Super cute. Another one that has pocket with tags. You could put photos or journaling. A cute little scene here. And this is another one of the divider pages. Another chipboard frame, and again I left it unattached so that I could put tags behind it and be able to pull those out if I wanted to add more journaling or photos. Another one of those cute little chickens. Another one of the divider pages with it just folded over. And then we have this where we can put a little photo here. If for some reason I had more photos, I could just cover up one of these and make them photo mats. More pockets, another flip up, and then our back cover. And I plan on making a pocket for this one just to have extra stuff if I want to keep memorabilia or different things. Like if I just do photos from all of spring and summer, I can just add extras back there. Even though it is quite full, you can see it's like up here. So that is our album, and I'll probably go ahead and decorate the back too, because I have, like I said, tons of paper and stuff left. So that is the mini album that we did as part of the Simple Stories Online Fresh Air Edition. So I'll have one more installment that was our bonus layout and our cards. So I'll be back with that soon. If you have any questions about the event, be sure to leave them down below and I will answer them. Stay tuned and I'll be back with more. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.